boy Most Incredible back with an incredible video. Sun's out, guns out today, yo. Y'all see what it is. So, y'all see that jersey. Tar Heels all day, baby. Y'all see that? It's a 15. You know what 15 means, right? Yeah. Now I got a bunch of gray hair. But anyway, I got a bunch of gray hair. Every time I jump on this camera, I don't never have a haircut. I mean, I'm like, oh, when do you ever get a haircut? I get a haircut, but I don't do a video when I get a haircut. Cause I ain't, never mind, nah, let me stop. But nah, yo, this is gonna be something different. I'm headed to Jacksonville to pick up 2 items. I need a truck. Cause I don't think you're gonna be able to fit in Yoshi. The last time I came down here, I went in the Chevy. I went in my Impala. I picked up one of them. But this is gonna be new to the channel. I'm doing something new with this. I'm trying to focus on the road and not look at y'all. I want y'all to look at me, but I don't want to look at y'all. But anyway, this is gonna be something new that I'm doing to the channel, to the channel. This ride with me to Jacksonville. Y'all will see where I'm at. Of course, I got something UNC on, right? Of course, cause you see the jersey, you see the shoes. So of course it's a UNC day. It's a Tar Heels type day. You feel me? So that's what we doing today, yo. This is what we doing. We doing something different to the channel. We doing something different to the channel, yo. Like I said, sun out, guns out, ride with me. All right, y'all. I'm in a Kia, whatever they call. Y'all see the name. Y'all know the name. Y'all know the game. So we gotta get 2 of these bad boys right here. We gotta get 2 of these bad boys here. Lack. They don't want to say black, so they say lack. They say lack instead of black. So I understand that. I mean, I can respect that, though. So, hold on. Let's see how heavy this bad boy is. I hope 2 of them fit in my car, though. For real. I hope 2 of them do fit in my car. They not heavy, they just long. I need both of these. This is the reason why I need me a truck. This is the one reason why I need me a truck. I got this. Because of stuff like this. And y'all know I only got Yoshi and the Impala. So I'm thinking both of these could fit in my car with no problem. But y'all see the J's on my feet. UNC, baby. UNC, baby. So ask yourself, are they both gonna fit? Don't forget, I got this little bad boy up in there too. So if both of them gonna fit, I don't know. I don't know, boy. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. They're both gonna fit. That's an old spiritual song. I'm hungry. That's why I'm chewing this bubble gum. I'm hungry, y'all. But yo, I'm walking up towards my car, boy. I'm like, damn, that car fire, boy. That car hard. So I'm gonna show y'all how I've been looking at my car when I walked up to it. I done closed everything, so let me show y'all. You know, it's easy to spot my car because all you gotta do is see that bright green. I think y'all can see it over everything else. But man, when I walked down, boy, I said, excuse me, God, dog, where'd that come from? I said, boy, that car hard. But from the back, from like that, I said, I don't know, I gotta do something about that, boy. I got a big behind wheel gap and everything. But then I'm looking. I said, boy, that thing hard, boy, for real, boy. Hey, I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie, that thing hard now, for real. But anyway, I got everything in. As you can see, I got everything in. They all on one side as well. I didn't have to lay this seat down. This seat is good to be up. But so far, I mean, everything's in. If I wanted to get a third one, it would have been a difficult time for me to get the third one. But with it being two of them, and it's on my level. It's on my level. So, well, anyway, with it being two of them, it's perfectly good. If I had to get a third one, it'd have been a no-go. I couldn't even do it. But that's not the end of this video. Now I'm on my way back to Huntsville, back home. Like I said, I got both of them in. And now it's on my way back home. I'm gonna go and pick up something to eat. Let me close my arms. I don't want y'all to see my armpit. I'm gonna go pick up something to eat, and then I'm head back to Huntsville so I can show y'all what these two boxes is good for. I'm gonna show y'all. So let's get right back on the road. I got here at 12:34, like I said, but I ran into traffic, and the traffic threw me back to 12:34. So now I'm out. I got in and got out, and it's 1:04 now. So just think about it, bro. It don't take long to shop for a man, bro. Y'all females. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, let me get back on the road, get back to Huntsville, set this up, and so y'all can see it. Because this is something new that I'm bringing to my channel. I don't think I ever did a video like this before. So, let me get a thumbnail. Yeah. Alright. So, we got the box inside the house. We got both of them in the house, actually. But I gotta open the box up first. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. The reason why I drove an hour, about 45. I'm thinking, hour 30. For this. There's only one reason why. So do y'all know what it is now? So this is basically a shoe rack. A rack for my shoes. Not only I'm into cars, I'm also into shoes. I'm a shoe head. I'm a sneaker head. On whatever you want to call it when it comes to shoes, that's what I am. I'm not the shoe king. I'm not the shoe god. I'm not none of that. I'm into shoes. So this is one of the shoe racks. Actually, I got two of them today. This is the reason why I drove all the way here for my shoe rack. I'm rearranging my shoe room. This is what I have my shoe room in, my shoes in. As you can see, the ones that's missing, they are already on a shelf, the one like I got today. So basically, I'm clearing out all of this. I got shoes here. I got shoes here. I got shoes here. Like I'm basically clearing out some stuff. Shoes here. I gotta go through my clothes right here. So I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on that rack, cause look at, I got my Lost and Founds, my patent leathers, and my black toes. Breads, black toes, and I got the Spider-Mans. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 6 of them. So I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to find a way. I'm trying to find what I'm gonna put on those. I know I'm gonna have to go back next month, but I'm not gonna drive Yoshi down there this time around. I'm gonna drive the Impala down there and probably cop 2 more. Cause 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. Bro, it is a lot. Then I got one in the closet too as well. That's another thing. I got a one in my closet. Like this is my shirt closet. This is my shirt closet. I got a lot, yo. So I'm rearranging my shoe room. That's the reason why I went down there. I don't want this. These were good. These came from Walmart. Like what? $30? Yeah, it's like something like $30. It's a bookshelf. The same thing those are basically a bookshelves. I'm just rearranging them. Let me show y'all what I did to the other ones I got. See, this is the one I did with the UNC shoes. That's why some of the boxes don't have the shoes in them, and some of the boxes do. because my UNCs are here. And that's one thing I did. Like, it could change multiple colors. So those are blue, they're turned blue. It's another light down here that's work. All my lights work, but apparently the batteries are dead in them. So that's one reason why I'm changing it all around. So that's one good reason why I'm changing it. And man, let me tell y'all, this is dope. And I got my little remote control right here. It'll turn them off. And that's it. So I got more lights. Order more lights. And so when I do the lights, it could be a short video on the lights. But this right here is gonna be a longer video. So that's why some of my shoes are missing in my shoe room, and they are here. And pretty much these right here gonna go back in there. So let's get to building this. Let's get to building this right here. My shoe rack. That's what we're gonna call it. Shoe rack. That's what we're gonna call it. So since I got it flipped upside down now, it's easier for me to tighten it up like this. And just go like this. Think about it. You gotta do all 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of these. You gotta do 14 of these. 14. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all later on. It's gonna take me about till tomorrow to get this done. So this is what I'm dealing with right now, y'all. I'm dealing with a whole bunch. I got to remove these. I got 3 of these. I don't know where I'm gonna put my shoe boxes at. Like, I'm dealing with a whole lot. Make a room up here for some shoe boxes. I'm just dealing with a whole bunch. I'm thinking about taking this out. I'm thinking about taking one of these out and leaving one of these there. So I'm not really sure, because that TV, I'm putting one of my TVs in my living room or my bedroom in here. So this TV is going in there, and I'm getting another TV very soon, very soon. I'm waiting for it to come in, by matter of fact, soon. So with that, 50-inch going in here, 6.5 going in my living room. But still, yeah, that is all off subject. I'm dealing with a whole lot, so I'm trying to see where I'm gonna put all of my shoe boxes at. I'm keeping every shoe box. There is no way in the world I'm throwing my shoe boxes away. No, not gonna happen. Not in this lifetime, not in my next lifetime, not in no lifetime. But this is what I'm dealing with. I already had the UNCs all in order. So I went to my Jordan 1 collection, and I did Chicago, Bands, Black Toes, Spider-Man's Next Chapter, Bloodlines, UNC to Chicago's. I did that because those supposed to be on there, because he came from UNC and he ended up in Chicago. And I got my Jordan 6 collection. This collection gonna be changed around sooner or later. I got something else going for that. Better yet, I do have something else going for that one. And I think I'm missing 2 pair of shoes for that collection for this. So I'm waiting for those 2 shoes to come in. For those 2 shoes for me to rearrange this. But as far as that, I got these 2 Jordan 1s that I can literally put up in those 2 holes right there to fill that holes up. But I gotta go over here and find a box. But that's all I'm dealing with. After that, I gotta scrape my room up. So pretty much I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna need 6 more. So y'all see it. I might need 7 more, because the way these shoes keep dropping. But y'all see it though. Y'all see the vision that I see, right? So yeah. And I like this. Like I said, these are the lights. I think these lights need batteries in them. I'm not sure. But y'all see it. Y'all see the vision. After I get everything cleaned up, I'm gonna just come back and I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Oh, look at my pops up there. Yes, I do collect those. I got 2 of the Michael Jordan Chicago's, 3 UNC ones. Then I got Tiger Woods. Of course, I had to get Tiger Woods in there. Cam Christian that I got. Had to get the homie. Had to. There's no way in the world I wouldn't be able to get him ready to die. They're my trophies and everything. So, like I said, this is new to the channel. I'm not low key a sneakerhead. I'm a big time sneakerhead. That's it, y'all. But I don't know. Man. Let's see how this turn. Let's see how it turn out. So this is the finished product of me cleaning the room. Pretty much gonna either put these on Facebook Market and sell them. But yeah, this is it though. Let me turn the other light on, make it better. Okay, this both lights are on. So this is the finished product of it. Like I said, I could get more. Once I get more, I don't know if I'm gonna keep one of these like this and put it right there for another shelf, or like when I get like different little shoes, like my Yeezys, my LeBrons, or something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. So this is my futon, basically another bed if I ever have a guest. When I don't never have a guest. So this is it, and this is it. So thank y'all for watching me building my new shoe room different. I'm probably gonna put something up here too as well. I'm looking for something like a floating wall shelf or something like that to put up there, just to make it look different. Just to put something up there, like that way I could put these pops up there or something, like, or some good looking shoes up there, and you're like, oh shoot, when they first walk in. But I don't know. But like I said, this is something new to the channel. I might continue bringing these shoes to the channel. I'm not sure yet. I'm really not sure. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.